Om Shri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Hi, good morning. My name is Chiranjeevi, working as a mathematics teacher in Delhi Public School, Visakhapatnam. First of all, very happy Janmashtami to all. Today I am going to explain you properties of triangle. There are 7 properties. First one is sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of exterior angles is 360 degrees. Each exterior angle equals to sum of 2 interior opposite angles. Side opposite to greater angle is greater in a triangle. Side opposite to smaller angle is smaller. And sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third side. Difference of any 2 sides is less than the third side. These are the 7 properties I am going to explain you with the help of an activity. Okay. I am having 24 years of teaching experience in CBSE schools only. At present I am working as HM in Delhi Public School, Visakhapatnam. Previously I worked as a vice principal in another CBSE affiliated school called Sri TVS Rao Sri Krishna Vidya Mandir. So I love teaching mathematics and I love to teach mathematics by using real life situations. I'll try to give examples, real life examples to the students to understand mathematics better. So that's why today I took this concept with the help of, I'll explain this concept with the help of some models. I'm considering a triangular model, okay, a scalene triangle. Here angles are colored with 3 different colors, green, red, yellow. Clearly you can observe that the angle with red color is greater, okay, and the angle with yellow color is smaller. So I am considering this. I am considering 3 congruent triangles. 3 congruent triangles. These 3 triangles are congruent to each other to prove all these properties. Okay? Now, I am trying to prove the first property, that is sum of interior angles equal to 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So I will try to arrange these 3 triangles in such a manner that you can understand on your own that sum of interior angles is 180. The previous knowledge for this you must have is, we know a measure of a straight angle is 180. Okay, na? A measure of a straight angle is 180 degrees. See, I will try to arrange these 3 triangles in such a manner that, see, now you can observe red angle with red color, green color, yellow color. So sum of these 3 angles you can observe clearly they are forming a straight angle over here. That means sum of these 3 angles is 180. First property done. Now, I will try to explain the third property what I wrote on the board. That is, each exterior angle is sum of 2 interior opposite angles. That you can observe it clearly. See here, this is an exterior angle colored with green and red colors is same as the angles over here. So, exterior angle is equal to, means angles with green and red color, sum of these 2 angles is equal to sum of 2 interior opposite angles. Okay, na? So that is the second property. Now this third property. Now second property I will explain. See here. Here sum of these 3 angles 180, na? Okay. So yellow plus green plus red 180. I will write that. Yellow plus green plus red. Means yellow means yellow plus green plus red is 180. Okay. Next. Next, this one. Here also you can observe green plus red, yellow plus red. They forms a straight angle over here. Okay na? Green plus yellow plus red, 180. Green plus yellow plus red, 180. Okay. Next. Now here, coming to here. Here also you can observe red plus yellow plus green is also 180. Red plus yellow plus green, 180. Okay na? Red plus yellow plus green, 180. Now if we add all these three, what we will get? 3 times of red plus yellow plus green is 540 degrees. Okay. Now 3 times of red plus yellow plus green minus. We need to take your, see this is what we call, this is the exterior angle. These three are, once again I will explain, see, yellow plus green plus red. Okay. Okay. Minus red plus yellow plus green means sum of interior angles. So this is 540 minus this is 180, 360 degrees. So sum of exterior angles is 360. Okay na? Next. Now fourth property is sum of any two sides is greater than third side. So I will consider a thread over here and I will try to measure the thread, the sides of the thread, length of the sides of the triangle with the help of a thread. Okay, now I measured the two sides and you can clearly observe that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of two sides, you can clearly observe sum of two sides is surely greater than third side. Okay na? This is fourth property. Now fifth property is difference of two sides is less than the third side. So that's why what I did, I took two threads whose measurement is two sides of the triangle. See here. So this is one thread whose measurement is equal to one of the sides of the triangle, this one, and second thread whose length is equal to length of another side of the triangle. Now I will try to compare these two threads. Okay. One of the threads is little bit more than the second one. Just I am taking out that thread Now, this is the difference. This is what I can say the difference, which is less than the third side. So, difference of any two sides is less than the third side. Okay, na? This is the fifth property. Now, sixth property, I told you that here the angle with green color is greater than, means angle with green color is greater than the remaining two angles. You can clearly observe here the side opposite to this green color is greater than the remaining two sides. The angle that is colored with green, it is greater, and you can compare or you can see clearly that the side opposite to the angle which is having green color is greater than the remaining two angles. Okay. Next, here the angle colored with the yellow color is the smallest one. You can clearly observe the side opposite to yellow color angle is less than the remaining two sides. So with this, what we can say, the sides that is opposite to greater angle is greater, and the side opposite to smaller angle is smaller. So with the help of these activities, we can ask the children, even they can prepare 3 congruent triangles and they can observe all these 7 properties at a time. Okay, by doing this activity. And I think if you like this concept or the activity very well, then thank you.